We've got a gorgeous Cougar today. This is a 1970 Mercury Cougar. It's all decked out with the trim and scoops and wheels. 351 under the hood, factory air, power steering, power brakes. $25,000 just spent making it better. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 beautiful cars to look at. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we sold this car. It was a very nice car when we sold it, and the gentleman we sold it to put 25 grand into it, including an all-new paint job. It is slick. It's grabber green. They've added the stripes, which are painted on. They're smooth to the touch. Got the scoop, the hood pins, which are new. But everything up here is beautiful, clean, straight. All of this, again, the stripes painted on. You don't feel them. All the gaps are right on. It was a good, clean body when we sold it to them. The mirrors are new, the sport mirrors, the doors. Everything fits nicely. Jams are real nice and fresh. All this is beautiful. It has the rear spoiler. Yeah, it's a Cougar Eliminator stripe package to dress it up. Yeah, this is all polished like glass. It's all beautiful. It all fits real nicely. All this is real nice and clean all the way underneath. It's a mirror reflection. Stunning. All clean, all straight, square. Look at the jams, how nice they are. Shut real nice. So, grabber green, stripes, scoops, mirrors, and then it's got the Magnum 500 wheels are just sparkling, 15-inch, wearing some Firestone tires. He replaced the door handles underneath this boot here. This molding is all new. The rear marker lights, he said he replaced. Both front bumpers were re-chromed. The windshield looks to be good original. Emblem's real nice. This is the hideaway lights. They open and close. He upgraded them to LED bulbs. Has a proper antenna. It's a beautiful car, sharp looking car. In back, it has the sequential turn signals. They blink across. And those are working. And again, a new bumper in back, or re-chromed. The convertible top, it's a black convertible top. He replaced that too. It has the glass window in the back. He said the boot was replaced as well. So why don't we open it up, see the engine, see inside the car. All right, let's look inside the trunk. Opens easily. Under the trunk lid, painted real nice. Same with the jam. The weather strip is replaced. We have a 5th matching tire and wheel. This must be the new boot he's talking about. He bought a black boot. So you'll get both of them. It has the plaid mat, all nice and clean inside here. The well liner looks new that the top sits in. Trunk spring's a little weak now. It has the spoiler on it. Spoiler alert. Yeah, they did a really nice paint job. I'm very happy with that. Even the jams are just smooth as can be. Weather strips look fresh. The interior is a very nice, older interior, but very nice. Door panels are nice and clean. A little bit of wear on the armrest. The dash pad's a nice original. The instrument panel is nice original. Clock quit working probably decades ago. It is a factory air-conditioned car. It has a retro stereo. All looks good. Oh, he put LED lights in the dash, he says. Interior lights work. Real nice carpet. Real nice original center console. Got the armrest. That's nice. The seats feel good. The upholstery looks real nice. You can see getting some age cracking. It's not ripped. Actually, I can't even feel it. The white interior looks sharp, and it's also much cooler out on the hot days. Looks like he's got some speaker wires running back here. Yeah, so you probably just throw some speakers on the floor, some boxes or something. Same thing back here, wall to wall. It's very good. Not new, but it's very good. I did replace the inside mirror. The visors look real good. And I believe it's a rim blow steering wheel right Probably not the greatest design, because sometimes when you're turning the wheel and you're grabbing it, you honk the horn. Even the lights in the door panels work. So it's a 351 motor, runs real strong. He did put on the aluminum intake and Edelbrock carbs, so that's all new. The distributor, the HEI ignition, it's a performance distributor, that's new. The finned valve covers are new. It has chrome support. All the black metal, look how nice and clean all of that is. The fender bolts, everything's real nice. Batteries bolted down properly. He upgraded the aluminum radiator, has the original style clutch fan. The alternator looks pretty fresh. You got the factory air conditioning. He said the entire power steering system's been replaced. Has power brakes sitting back there as well. It's a nice clean motor compartment. The paint's very nice, smooth. Washers are hooked up. Yeah, don't hit your head on this like I just did. Under the hood's all painted nice. So Michael's going to take you for a ride in this convertible, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. This really rare Cougar Eliminator. Seeing one of these is convertible is far and few between. Looking so tough with that blacked out hood scoop, hood pins. This one's got air conditioning and power steering. Power disc brakes all the way around too. This Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Life is nice and easy with this car. Just get in, turn the key, and cruise away. Started real easy for me after it had been sitting for at least a couple days. Can't forget about the rim blow horn also. 351. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour. Just eased into it. There's plenty more where that came from. But we are just cruising today. It's got the upgraded radio, has Bluetooth in it. Beautiful ride all the way around. Big benefit having the white interior with the convertible. Stays a lot cooler. So yeah, great car overall. Somebody's gonna get a real winner. Check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. We'd love to see you down here.
So the gentleman did a bunch of work underneath the car as well. It's got a new stainless steel exhaust system with Borla mufflers. It sounds real nice. A little bit bigger pipe. He upgraded the brakes. They're drilled and slotted disc at all 4 of the wheels. The suspension had all been previously rebuilt. Yeah, I already mentioned he did all the steering, even under the front end. All that's been replaced. Replaced shocks at all 4 of the corners. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. He had the transmission rebuilt. It's the original transmission. The tag is still on the side of it, and it has a quick shift kit in the transmission. It has its original traction lock rear end. It's a posi rear end. It's a 3.0 ratio, a nice cruising gear. So yeah, underneath the car is very nice as well. Someone's going to get something that's really different. You're going to get attention. It's got all these nice options. It's got the look. It's got the comfort. Cool car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Cougar delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.